Brenda DeArmond here, 3083 Pinnacle in Summit Greens, getting ready to have an open house on Sunday, June the 29th, between 1 and 3. I want to take you in there and give you an idea of what's in there. On the outside, this home is on a cul-de-sac. You can see that it's nice and quiet here. The house is $365. It's a 2-bedroom with a den. Nice landscaping. All the landscaping is done by the HOA. We're in Summit Greens, which is a 55+ community, right here in Clermont. Come on out on the 29th. And right here's the front door. Walk right through. And it's empty. The last video I did for this, we're getting ready to do an estate sale. The estate sale is finished now. So it's empty, ready for anybody that needs to move in quick. This is the house for you. Turning over this way, it has two full bathrooms. Here's the secondary bathroom here. Granite counters. Nice fixtures. All of that. Here's the second bedroom. It's a little dark in here because there's no lamps, no overhead light, but it's in great shape. All the walls are the same color. This one does have carpet in both the bedrooms. Tile floors, the rest of it. All the rest are tile. Here is the den. It's a nice sized den. And even had a little nook over here. You have your computer or whatever you want to do there. The living room is here. You can see all that wiring over there has been disconnected, but very easy to put back together. Has a shelf up there at the top. Again, everything is the same color. There's a lanai, we'll go out there in just a few minutes. And that has a wall back there, so you have a lot of privacy, and there's another neighborhood over there, so it's not anything that you don't care about. Again, here is the primary room. Couple of lamps in here to give you an idea. Nice window treatments over there. What I like about this model, it has this huge closet, almost like California closets, all kinds of shelving in here. You can adjust it however fits your needs. Little pegboard here. The bathroom has been redone from the past. Used to have a garden tub in there, but now it's got a huge sink area with a lot of storage in there. Granite counters as well. A lot of storage again. And this as well, the shower is really nice. There's no lip at the floor, so if you have someone that's in a wheelchair, this would be perfect for that. They got 2 different spigots there. And then you have your closet. I hope to see you on the 29th. Don't want to sit here by myself. Between 1 and 3 on Sunday. Come on out. Here's the dining area. This is the only furniture we have left. Gives me a place to sit when I'm at open house. Again, nice fixture there. The kitchen, all granite. Stainless steel appliances. Nice fixtures again. And this little nook back here, it's been repainted. And here's the light fixture. It's a good place to put a breakfast table, and even had room for some storage in here. All the appliances stay. Here's the washer and dryer. Behind this door, it's a little, you got all kinds of storage there. Again, we'll go out here in the lanai. It's very quiet around here, as the owner loves that part of it. Sit out here and just relax. Again, there's a doggy door there. You have an animal, sit down here and relax with your animal. Little L-shaped lanai here. As you can see, the back, very pristine. And it has a 2-car garage. Go out here. Hope didn't turn the light on. Okay. It's your basic 2-car garage here. And here's where the AC and the water heater is. Heat and air. So I'm going to just sit here and wait for you to come. Don't let me fall asleep in these nice, comfortable chairs between 1 and 3 on June the 29th. And if the home isn't sold, I'm going to do another one between 1 and 3 in July on the 20th. So hope to see you then. Bye-bye.